Allerest tablets is used to temporarily relieve symptoms caused by the common cold, flu, allergies, or other breathing illnesses such as sinusitis, bronchitis. Generic name chlorpheniramine and pseudoephedrine. Chlorpheniramine is an antihistamine that reduces the effect of natural chemical histamine in the body. Histamine can produce symptoms of sneezing, itching, watery eyes, and runny nose. Pseudoephedrine is a decongestant that shrinks blood vessels in the nasal passages. Dilated blood vessels can cause nasal congestion, stuffy nose. Indications. Allerest tablets is used to treat allergic rhinitis symptoms like watery eyes, runny nose, blocked nose, congestion, stuffiness, itching, and sneezing. It is also used to relieve symptoms of skin allergy, urticaria. How to use. Don't take more than 6 doses in 24 hours. Adults and children 12 years of age and over take 1 tablet every 4 hours. Children 6 years of age to under 12 years of age take 1/2 tablet every 4 hours. Children under 6 years of age ask a doctor. Contraindications. You should not use this medication if you are allergic to chlorpheniramine or pseudoephedrine. Ask a doctor or pharmacist if it is safe for you to take this medicine if you have asthma or COPD, cough with mucus, or cough caused by smoking, emphysema, or chronic bronchitis. A blockage in your stomach or intestines, kidney or liver disease, high blood pressure, heart disease, coronary artery disease, or recent heart attack, enlarged prostate or urination problems, glaucoma, diabetes, epilepsy or other seizure disorder, pheochromocytoma, an adrenal gland tumor, overactive thyroid, or if you take potassium. Warnings. Don't use this medicine if you have used an monoamine oxidase inhibitor in the past 14 days, such as isacarboxazid, linezolid, methylene blue injection, phenelzine, resigalan, selegiran, or tranylsopramine. You should not use antihistamine medication to make your child sleepy. This medication may impair your thinking or actions. Be careful if you drive or do anything that requires you to be alert. Drinking alcohol with this medicine can cause side effects. Allerest side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction, hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. This medicine may cause serious side effects. Stop using this medicine and call the doctor at once if you have chest pain, rapid pulse, fast or uneven heart rate, confusion, hallucinations, severe nervousness, tremor, seizure, convulsions, little or no urination, easy bruising or bleeding, unusual weakness, or dangerously high blood pressure, severe headache, buzzing in the ears, anxiety, shortness of breath. Side effects such as dry mouth, constipation, and confusion may be more likely in older adults. Common side effects of Allerest may include dizziness, drowsiness, blurred vision, dry nose or mouth, nausea, stomach pain, constipation, loss of appetite, problems with memory or concentration, or feeling restless or excited, especially in children.